it is an ambitious goal. It really is, and we had a lot of discussions when these goals were set in our city as well. And we asked the questions then, well, how do we get there? And I think as follower cities, we have quite a good challenge, but also I think we can then contribute to this question because we have the challenge of having to find also the investment and the resource and the funding to be able to replicate, which means that we sometimes probably look at national funding opportunities. And then one of the arguments that we will have to receive this funding will be, of course, showing the results from these lighthouse projects. And that's how we're working at the moment in Vaasa. We are showing what we want to do, what we want to be funded, and this is then the discussions that we will have towards the government. So hopefully they will see that there's good results, and that's something that we want to replicate, and also not just replicate, but maybe also take to the following level. And that is discussion that we also have had. So I think, yes, I think we as follower cities will have a different role, but also we'll be able to make it more visible about what is really going on, because we have to apply for the funding. The lighthouse cities, is they have the funding, they will then demonstrate, and of course can also show a good example, but we then have to explain why we want to do this.
I think it's very helpful to be in the projects and this sort of network to get that investment, the funding for the investments. But I think still there's not so many cities in Finland overall in this project.
No, we also had this discussion that we try to then connect also these kind of projects closer to the SECAP and what we're doing with the covenant of mayors and other things. And when you connect all these different lines, I think there might be some possibilities there.
Yeah, and it definitely interests Finnish sort of governmental organizations or the ministries that what we are doing, and so there's a lot of opportunities to tell what we are doing, and that's a good thing.